automatic toll collection and theft vehicle identification system using RFID and GSM technology. Actually, this concept was taken by a final year students to design their final semester project. The project concept is like we need to collect the toll as well as we need to identify the theft vehicle. For example, if any theft vehicle is trying to pass out the toll, means it will automatically identify the theft vehicle. So here in this circuit we used components like microcontroller, LCD display, buzzer, RFID reader, GSM modem and power supply unit and a servo motor. Okay, so first case, if a vehicle is crossing the toll gate, the RFID tag will be scanned using the RFID reader. The information of the vehicle will be read out, and if it is a theft vehicle, a buzzer sound will come. If it is a authorized vehicle, then the toll will be collected and the toll amount will be debited, and a notification will be sent a SMS using the GSM modem. Thank you.